Hello, kid. Well, what do we see over here? Here we see two pictures. One of a baby and one of a grandmother. Well, what is the similarity over here? Can you find out? Both of them do not have teeth. But when you and I smile in front of the mirror, we see our beautiful white teeth, right? But since both of them, like the baby and the grandma, don't have teeth, they need to stay on a liquid diet. So, now you understand what is teeth used for? Let me tell you. Well, teeth is used for tearing, biting, chewing and grinding food. So, when you have the delicious food, you require the teeth so that you can tear the food, chew it, grind it and finally have it. Now, do you think only we human beings have teeth? Not really. Here we can see some animals like the zebra, the tiger, the crocodile and the fish. So, here as well we see the zebra has got teeth. Even the tiger has got teeth, the crocodile and even the fish. So, why do you think these animals also have teeth? Because they need to tear, chew and grind their food as well. How? Let's see. Well, over here we see four different animals. But do you see them eating the same food? Not really. The zebra is eating grass. The crocodile is eating another fish. Here is a carnivorous fish which is feeding on another small baby fish. And finally, we have the tiger. It is eating meat or flesh of other animals. So, different animals have got different food habits and so they have got different kinds of teeth as well so that they can eat the correct food for themselves. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever seen something like this before? Maybe with your grandma while she's preparing food or something? No? Well, this is a mortar and a pestle. Well, the mortar has a flat base over here. So, using this pestle, you can grind different things. So, mortar and pestle is used for grinding different things since it has a flat base. Now, we see the frame of the teeth of herbivores. Now, which are the herbivores? Do you know? No? Let me tell you. Well, the herbivores are those animals which feed on plants or different grasses. So, they have these kind of teeth which are also flat based just like the mortar and a pestle. So, once they get the grass or the different parts of the plant, they can grind the food and have it. So, the teeth of the herbivores are flat based just like a mortar and a pestle. So, why do you think they have this flat based teeth? Because they eat grasses and different kind of plants. But their body cannot digest those in the form in which they are eaten. So, they require the teeth so that those grasses and different kind of plants can be ground into a paste-like substance, which they can eat and their body can have it properly. So, herbivores have the flat based teeth just like the mortar and a pestle so that they can grind their food. Now, I have a question for you. Which of the following animals have teeth like a mortar? Is it option 1 tiger or option 2 zebra? So, the answer is zebra, because just now we have learnt that herbivores have flat based teeth like the mortar, whereas tiger is not a herbivore, so it's the wrong option, and zebra is a herbivore, it's a correct option. Now, we have already learnt what is a mortar and a pestle. Great. But if I tell you to tear this packet with the help of a mortar and a pestle, can you do it? Not possible, right? Why is it so? Because to tear this packet, you need something which is sharp and you can pierce it into the plastic. And for that, we require these kind of objects which have sharp, thin points, or else the end of the scissors. Similarly, we have the carnivorous animals like the tiger. So, what do these animals eat? Well, they feed on flesh or meat. So, in order to tear the flesh or the meat into small particles, they require pointed teeth like this. See, they have got sharp teeth, just like the edges of a knife or the scissor, and these help carnivorous animals to tear their food and have it in a proper way. Even over here, there are two more examples for you. First is the dog. And what does the dog eat? Well, it feeds on meat or flesh. So, dog is a carnivorous animal. Hence, we see it has got the pointed teeth. Next, we have the cat. And cat feeds on fish. So, in order to tear the fish into small particles, the cat has got sharp teeth. So, it is also a carnivorous animal. Hence, what have we learnt over here? All carnivorous animals like the tiger, dog, cat, they have sharp pointed teeth. These teeth help them to have their proper food, that is the meat or the flesh. So, you seem a little confused. Let me clear it out. This is the difference between the herbivores and the carnivores. First, let's see the herbivores. Herbivores are those animals like the zebra, cow, which feed on plants or grasses. So, they have blunt teeth. That is the flat based teeth, and the teeth is used for chewing or grinding the food, so that the food, that is the grass or the plants, are ground into a paste like form which their body can have it easily. Moving on to the carnivores, we see carnivores are those animals like the crocodile, the tiger, the dog, the cat. These animals feed on flesh or meat or fish. So these animals require sharp teeth. Why? Because these teeth will help these animals in seizing and stabbing the food. That is, to seize the prey, cut it into small pieces and then have it properly. So now we know the difference between the herbivores and the carnivores. Now comes the human beings. They are the omnivores. That is, they eat fish, meat, flesh as well as fruits and vegetables. So, Here we see a person having a burger. Now, I'm sure you had a burger as well. So, in a burger, we have got the bread, the different vegetables like the tomato, cucumber, the cheese, the meat. So, we need to have teeth so that we can eat all of them. So, we have different kinds of teeth. See, over here we have teeth like the zebra or the herbivores. The flat based ones which are used for grinding the food, and we also have teeth like the tiger, dog, cat which are used for tearing and cutting it into small pieces. So we also have teeth like the herbivores as well as the carnivores. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.